What's up guys, Cece back with another video, and today's video is going to be a comparison between Ipsy Glam Bag Plus and Boxyluxe. First time watching me, make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button. You also want to make sure you're clicking the notification bell so you can always be notified of all of my future videos, because you never want to miss a single upload. Make sure you're following me on my Instagram at YvetteLuvsBeauty, and also make sure you're subscribed to my family vlog channel here on YouTube at Bradley TV. So let's just hop right in. If you know me, then you know that I am a sucker for my subscription boxes. I love subscription boxes so much. And I will have a link to both of these subscription boxes down below in the description box. So make sure you check those out if you're interested after I show you these products. I've already opened Ipsy, have not opened Boxycharm yet. So we're going to go through the boxes and we're gonna vote and see which one we think is better. If you guys know me, you know that I'm an avid Boxycharm user and lover, but recently I've been getting the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I think this is my second or third month getting the Glam Bag Plus, and those have been great as well. So we give you a little specs of both of the boxes and then we're gonna dive right in. So Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is $25 a month. It's offered monthly, or you can just get the regular Ipsy for $10 a month. The difference is the regular Ipsy gives you deluxe size samples. So I believe you get 4 to 5 deluxe size samples in your regular Ipsy bag. And then if you get the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, for the extra $15, you actually get 4 to 5 full size products. As for Boxycharm, Boxycharm is also a monthly subscription box, $21 a month, and you get 4 to 5 full size products in the Boxycharm, no samples. You can also upgrade to the Boxyluxe every 3 months for an extra $29. So that makes the Boxyluxe $50, but that's only every 3 months. You can also opt to just get the regular Boxycharm for $21 that month as well. So let's dive right in. Since we already opened the Ipsy Boxyluxe, not Ipsy Boxyluxe, the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, let's go ahead and open that. I haven't really rifled through it. I just opened it up when it came the other day, but we're just gonna see what's all in this box. So I opened it up and this is how the box looks with things falling out of it, but this is how the box looks. So we're just gonna go through and see what all we got this month. So every month you get a little pamphlet with all the different products in it. It gives you the retail value of the products and then just some specs on the products itself. So first thing I noticed when I open up this box is this huge jar. This is the CEO Vitamin C Rich Hydration Cream by Sunday Riley. If you know anything about Sunday Riley, you know Sunday Riley is expensive. It's a brand that's sold at Sephora, and let me just see how much this product is, because I bet this pays for the entire box by itself. This product itself is $65. So already you're plus $40 on the box, which is amazing. Next, I see these two Girlactic 3-in-1 lip sparkle bombs in the box, and this is actually a repeat item from last month because I did get these in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus last month for May. So kind of disappointed there that those are actually in the box, but yeah. Moving along, it also came with a Trestique lipstick. This is a matte color plus a shiny balm crayon, and I've gotten several Trestique products in Boxycharms and Ipsy over the years, but they're just these cute little lipsticks that actually look like a lipstick, like a pencil or a pen at the top, and then you take it off and you have the actual product right there. So that's actually really pretty. That's a pretty color. That's a really gorgeous color right there. And that lipstick is actually a $25 value, and the Girlactic lip balms, those are $34 for a set of 2. So already, again, we're well over what the box costs. Next in the box is this pretty eyeshadow palette. It's Tetris and Ipsy. nice little Tetris and Ipsy collab. That's really cute. It's called the Game On Eyeshadow Palette. And how cute is this? I used to love Tetris, by the way. Oh, a 6-pan eyeshadow palette. Those are very gorgeous colors. Not colors that I would wear often, but they're really pretty for this summer season. I really like this eyeshadow palette. And this eyeshadow palette retails for $24. So there's 2 more products in the box. The first being this Summa Beauty Hydra Liner. So this is a, if I can get it open, this is a liquid liner. Yeah, this is a black liquid liner. And wait, is that powder? No. No, that's liquid. Just looks kind of weird, but that's a black liquid liner, and it's called the the color is Grease, and it's called the Matte Hydra Liner Cake Liner is what it's called. Oh, you know what? The last 2 products were together because you have the liner and also the liner brush. So those come together, and this is just one of those pointed liner brushes, and the set retails for $26. So that's everything in the box. We got a liner and a liner brush. We got the Tetris Game On palette, the Sunday Riley CEO Rich Hydration Cream, and then also the 2 Girlactic lip balms. So that entire box retailed for $174, and you only paid $25 for it, so that is a very good deal. Now, the products that were in the box, would I use all of them? Probably not, especially the one product that was a repeat product. The palette was actually really cute, but it was something that I probably could have done without. I do love the Sunday Riley product as well as the lipstick, but I mean, the palette's worth, what's that, $149 extra? $149 more than what you paid for it. So I think that's a good deal, especially if you really love the products. Now let's move on to Boxycharm. I am slightly biased because I've been getting Boxycharm for a long time. Ipsy too, but Boxycharm has my heart, and you guys know it. So I have not opened this. I have not even broken the seal on the box. So let's go ahead and do that now. I have no idea what's in it. I tried not to watch any of the spoiler videos that come out. I hate watching those because then I feel like I'm not surprised when I get my box, and I like to be surprised when I get my Boxycharm and my Ipsy bags every month. So it's opening. Oh, look at it. This box is actually really huge too. It's super heavy this month, I feel like. All right, let's pull the stuff out. I'm so excited. Boxycharm also comes with a little card to let you know what's all in the box. Now, I can already tell you, I think BoxyLuxe comes with 10 products. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. BoxyLuxe comes with 9 products versus the 5 that actually came with the Ipsy. However, this is what the Ipsy bag's 25, BoxyLuxe is 50. So you have to kind of weigh it that way. So the first product that I pull out is this huge full-size living proof. This is the full dry volume blast. What is this? Instant lasting volume and texture. So it's a volumizer. My 4C hair doesn't really need a volumizer, so I probably won't be using this, but I guess I can use it on my wigs and stuff. So I don't know if I'm going to be using this product. However, if you're into volumizers, you got a full size of living proof, and I know living proof ain't cheap, okay? So let me just see how much this is. $29 for this hairspray. So already you've paid for more than half of the box. Moving on, I have an entire baggie of something right here. I have no idea what's in it. This is the brand PYT. Feels hard. No idea what's in here. Oh, you lying. You are lying. How cute is this? Girl, they didn't put a whole blow dryer in the bag. Oh my gosh. Wow, and it even comes with a diffuser. They didn't put an entire blow dryer in this bag, y'all. And it comes with a little carrying case. All I need is a little comb that can work for my hair. You got all the little attachments with it. Wow. Okay. I'm impressed. I didn't think Boxycharm could impress me anymore, but to put an entire appliance in our box, I'm pretty impressed. Like, that's impressive. How much is this? How much is that? $85. That blow dryer, $85. Okay, so the next product is this. This is by the brand Skin & Company, and it's called Truffle Therapy Illuminating Skin Refresh Mist, and it's in Radiant Dew. So it just looks like this, and it says it's for all skin types. What is it supposed to do? It's a hydrating mist formulated to soothe, protect, and illuminate the skin. Our glow-inducing tonic is inspired by the Italian legend of St. John's water, a magical dew produced using flowers and herbs during the summer solstice. Okay, that's pretty interesting. This one comes out to, how much is this? This one is $35 value. $35 all in its own. Next product, I have no idea what this is. It's by the brand Trestique. I think I've gotten a few Trestique products. What the hell is this? Oh, it's a mascara. Good Vibes Mascara. Treat your lashes to the ultimate curling, lengthening, and volumizing fun with your new Trestique Good Vibes Mascara. Oh, it's an all-in-one lash curler tool plus lash enhancing mascara. How does that work? I don't even use lash curlers, but... Oh, now I see it. I see the lash curl. I'm like, what is this? So there's like the little lash curling part. Flip down to curl. Flip what down? Oh, you pull it. Y'all see that? You pull it and it curls. So this is supposed to curl your lashes, and it's also supposed to be a mascara somewhere. Oh, so this will curl and give you some volume and stuff with the mascara. That is very innovative, Trestique. Very, very innovative. That looks like it'll be great for travel. I don't really curl my lashes, but if you do need a lash curler, this looks like it's super good for travel. And this one is a $25 value. All right, let's keep it moving. I'm just pulling the next thing out. This is the Biotonic Balancing Complex Clean Biotic pH Balanced Yogurt Cleanser by Dr. Brandt. Dr. Brandt is very expensive. You guys know they make one of my absolute favorite cleansers, which is the microdermabrasion, which I love and I've talked to you guys about. So this Dr. Brandt product is, oh, this one's only $35. That other cleanser is like 80 bucks. But this one is, it's a probiotic multitasking cleansing yogurt, and it melts away grime, makeup, and excess oil for skin that's hydrated and never stripped. So that is how that looks. I'm really liking this box right now. This box is really good. Next product is by Pharmacy. We did get a Pharmacy product in last month's box. It was a facial cleanser, and I've used it a couple times and I actually did like it. I took it for travel. And this one is the Honeymoon Glow AHA Resurfacing Night Serum. I love my serums. This looks really, really fancy. Wow. So this one cost $58. The Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow is a 3-in-1 night serum that resurfaces, hydrates, and clarifies dull skin while you sleep. You guys, this box is everything, and we still have 3 products left in this box. 3 big products are left in this box, by the way. First one being the Tarteist Pro Glow 3 palette. Now, I received another Tarte Pro Glow palette in one of these Boxycharms before. So every single Boxycharm comes with some type of full-size palette. Whether it's a face palette or eye palette, it comes with a full-size palette. And this month we get the Tarteist Pro Glow. And this is what it looks like, which I will probably never use this palette, but this is what it looks like here. It's pretty, just the, yeah, that's like my skin tone. The bronzer shade looks like my skin tone. The blushes look a little ashy. The highlighters are kind of cute, but I just probably would never use this. So I'm not even going to swatch that. I'll probably give that to someone. I don't know. But that palette, if you do like it, that palette costs $45. So that one retails for $45. Moving along, we have two more products in the box, and this is the Dominique Cosmetics. Dominique Cosmetics, what's it called? There's no name on it. Dominique Cosmetics, there's no like name on the packaging of what the actual, oh, it's a lip gloss. Okay, it's a lip gloss. This is it the lemonade lip gloss, or is that the name? No, so I think this is the lemonade lip gloss, and the name of it is Peach Tea is what it is. This is really pretty. For those of you who don't know, Dominique Cosmetics is made by Kristen Dominique here on YouTube, and I don't watch her very often, but always great to see a YouTuber doing good things. And so this looks like a pretty peachy lip gloss. Has like a nice vanilla scent to it. That's pretty. I've never tried any Dominique Cosmetics products. I think she's sold at Ulta and Sephora, if I'm not mistaken. So kudos to her. And that retails for $17. Last but not least, I have a primer here. This is by the brand Touch in Sol, and this is the No Problem Prime Essence. And I've gotten another full-size No Problem primer from Boxycharm before. So this one is called the Prime Essence, and what's this one supposed to do? Let your makeup stay a while with your new Touch in Sol No Problem Prime Essence. Infused with calendula officinalis flower extract, the primer tightens up your pores, keeping your skin silky smooth. And this one retails for $23. So I think we got our money's worth with this box for real, y'all. Let me calculate it up. So we paid $50 for the Boxycharm box, and this box retails for $352. So basically you're getting plus $300 worth of product. $292 to be exact. $292 worth of extra product than what you paid for. I would say that box is totally worth it. Will I use everything in the box? No, but most of the things I will. I still feel like I got my money's worth out of the Boxycharm, whereas Ipsy, not so much. So Boxycharm reigns supreme again, and yeah. If you guys like these comparison videos and you want me to keep doing it, let me know. Again, if you're interested in Ipsy or Boxycharm, both of them will be linked down below. Click the link, head on over there, sign up, and get yourself a box, girl, okay? I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye, you guys.